If you see pre-collision assist not available, sensor blocked on your Ford, it means the vehicle's forward collision system has temporarily shut itself off. This safety feature uses a front radar sensor behind the grille or bumper and a windshield-mounted camera near the rearview mirror to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles ahead. When one of these sensors can't see clearly or loses calibration, the system disables to avoid false braking. Most cases are caused by dirt, weather, or temporary electronic glitches, not permanent damage. Important steps: 1. Inspect the front grille radar area and the windshield camera zone for dirt, snow, ice, or debris. 2. Clean both areas gently with a microfiber cloth and mild soap solution. 3. Turn the vehicle off completely, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart and drive for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Go into driver assistance settings and toggle pre-collision assist off and back on. 5. If the warning remains, check battery voltage and look for visible front-end damage. 6. After windshield replacement or front repairs, schedule professional sensor calibration.